Good afternoon, everybody. This is Rob from MakeMoneyAudit.com and the YouTube channel Make Money Audit. Today, we're doing an audit on Arlan Hamilton and her claim of 5,000 every damn day. I did an audit on it, and the audit score came back with a D, a void. I'm going to tell you why here in just a minute. I'll show you. Okay. Leveraging AI and Mark Cuban insight for an AI consulting business. First, right there, you should know is a problem because everybody and their mother is an AI consultant. If you can use AI, then you're a consultant. The video pitches 6 weeks and 1,997 certification program from AuthorityXPro, priority AI tool. Goal is to become an AI strategist in a small business using the AI tool to generate strategies for clients with claims earning of 500 to 5,000 per client monthly, potentially scaling to 20,000 a month. Okay, anybody that has AI right now, GTP, I don't know why you'd still be using it, or Claude, can basically do the strategists themselves. They don't need this lady. You don't need to sign up for her program or anything. If you have AI, you can do it yourself. Claims primarily from a course. Yeah, she wants you to buy her course. Which again, all these YouTube gurus are selling courses. Hell, even I'm selling something, for $27. I'll do an audit for you. And, an audit that's not like in depth what you see here, which is way more in depth. But also, I'm even considering doing a live audit with you if or not a live audit, but doing an audit and then getting on a Zoom call or a phone and just walking through everything that I find. But basically, I built the channel to debunk these people. My channel is the opposite of all these. All the gurus are saying you can make 5,000 a day, every damn day. She's full of shit. She's full of crap. And this program that I built proves it. Okay. The 6-week program itself is a training period. Basically, realistically, acquiring clients, generating constant and meaningful income could take 3 to 6 months post certification, if not longer, depending on heavily on individual sales and making an effort. So if you tell me you're going to walk into somebody's business and you're going to try and say, hey, I'm going to help you boost your sales by showing you the strategic plans, they're just going to jump all over and say, yep, here we go. Okay. Market saturation, medium. Maybe because no one's really playing off as a strategist. I can't say that word. Being strategic on what you do and how you do it. So maybe, yeah, I would say it's kind of a medium saturation. Border on AI consulting, marketing is growing. Okay, yeah, we know that AI consulting is going crazy. The specific AuthorityXPro certified niche is a new and limited. Now, I don't know what that is. I should have looked a little more into the XPro certified. But the value is basically, it's a proprietary tool. So basically, I'm assuming it's a program that they built that you feed your data from your client into, and it comes back with suggestions. Hey, that sounds like AI itself, doesn't it? Hey, AI, Claude, chat. I'm having problems with sales. Here's my plan. Here's what I do. Tell me how to fix it. Bing. Don't have to pay any money for it. So startup cost is $1,997 for the certification, 1 year client edit, and 1 year of the client edition. Wow, really? So the reason why she's making $5,000 a day, she's selling you that crap program. Ongoing cost of the potential renewing fees, claim 2 to 3K a month is in future. Significant marketing expense. Yeah, you got to, Facebook ads, YouTube ads, Reddit, X. You're going to have to make a lot of damn posts to get anybody to come to you. Let's see. Achieving 500 a month per client is plausible, but scaling to 5K to 20K a month requires acquiring 10 to 40 paying clients with substantial sales and delivery challenges. Okay. Every business out there has sales and delivery challenges. That's nothing new. Trying to convince them to pay you 500 a month to 2,000 a month, or even, I mean, I don't know if anybody would pay somebody 500 a month come in when they can do it themselves. So basically, this whole premise on how you make the money is just you buy this XPro program, and you're now can charge using their information. Um, yeah, risk factor, significant capital risk for certification that lacks broad industry recognition and doesn't guarantee client acquisition. Even though they see saying something about Mark Cuban, who, by the way, just recently filed bankruptcy on all his businesses. So I wouldn't really running down and seeing what he does. Granted, he is still a successful businessman. I give him that. I've read his stories. I know he started out selling baseball cards or gum or something when he was in school. So I get it. The guy hustles. Don't get me wrong. We all go through financial crisis. Bankruptcy probably was the right choice for him. And hey, he did it, and that's fine. But right now, let's see. Or is a yeah, so nobody recognizes this program yet. So there's another problem. Success relies heavily on strong sales, marketing, and client management skills. If you can't sell, you're not going to get into anybody's door, and let alone get them to pay you $500 a month, which is, explicitly taught and guaranteed in this program. Yeah. So basically you spend, I'm just going to say it because I get tired, $2,000 for this program. They don't teach you how to go out and get customers. They just say, thank you, here you go to it. You can use our program. Thank you. And you're on your own. Yeah, see, the self heavily, okay, acquires clients. Okay. Who should not pursue? Beginners with no prior business sales. Yeah, I wouldn't even, to be honest, even if you're going to start a business and you're going to use AI to do it, being strategic on what the customer needs, I get that. That's actually a pretty good idea. Can you charge somebody $500 a month? Probably not. Walking straight into their door and cold calling, maybe not. My 35 years of being a consultant in this world, my first clients when I first started out, I worked for a company. And I basically, we didn't have AI back in the day when I did that. I remember dial-up computers, so that tells you my age. So most of my work was all done by word of mouth, knocking on doors, making phone calls. And now that AI is here, you don't need to pay somebody $2,000 for a program that you can basically just make a prompt in Claude. Even if you don't know how to do a prompt in Claude, you simply use the talk to speech thing on Claude or chat and say, hey, here's my problem. What do I do? Now, did I just expose somebody, you guys, to start a new business? I hope so. Maybe I'll do an audit on you if you're making fake guru claims like 5,000 every damn day. She's full of it. One reason why she's making that is she has how many subscribers? 229,000. Oop, shoot. 229,000 subscribers. So anyways, I kind of just closed off my my channel myself there. I'm sure it's gone. Yeah, see, it's gone. So anyways, a little happy click error there. Basically in this video, I hope I showed to you guys you don't need to spend $2,000 for this type of course or program. Claude, Chat, even Gronk, any of those AIs, you tell them your situation. You do it. And I make this one suggestion: do it by talking. You can talk way faster than you can type. And these things are sophisticated enough that they'll understand what they need to do and they can do it. Now I use Claude. I use chat from when it came out, but I find the Claude is way better. But anyways, thank you for watching. Yeah, look forward to the next video. And then you guys want to do an audit on your own, makemoneyaudit.com, and here it is. Paste in the URL and paste the transcript, and you get your audit based on my 35 years of experience. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day.